guys, it's Nelly. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys this look right here, and it was not intended to be this dramatic, but we're here. I'm living for it. I love it. I think it's really different and pretty. I'm also really excited because I am using the Dose of Colors Desi and Katy Friendcation palette. I told you guys in my last video that I was going to play with the more colorful shades. I used the two dark shades over here. I also used this pink, a little bit of Just a Kiss, and I used most of the matte shades. So yeah, this is the look that I came up with. I think it's really pretty. It's definitely dramatic. It's definitely out there, but I just wanted to sit down, play with makeup, enjoy my night. It's actually Tuesday. I'm just at home playing with makeup, and I freaking love it. So if you want to see how to get this gorgeous alien vibes makeup look, then definitely go ahead and keep on watching. Hi. So we are going to go ahead and get started. I'm going back in with a Friendcation palette, of course, and I'm going to take the shade Basic, and this is going to be my transition shade for today's video. So I am going to put this in my crease, and this is like a very subtle transition shade. So I am putting this in my crease from inner corner to outer corner. Look at how dry my lid is. That is a dry patch that I have right in there. Don't know what else to do. Actually, I do know what to do. I need to put eye cream, and I haven't. So I'm not even going to complain because I have not even been putting eye cream. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Girl Bye, which is this really pretty kind of pinky shade. It's like a pinky brown, like a mauve brownie shade. And I'm going to put this in my crease, but I'm going to put it just a little bit lower than... That's my stomach. Did you hear that? Okay, I'm going to put this a little bit lower in my crease, but still keeping it really nice and concentrated. Next, I'm going to take this shade right over here, which is called Churro, and I am Churro. Make sure the R rolls off your tongue. Churro. And I am going to place this right in the middle where the transition shade meets and that pink shade meets. That is where you want to place this shade to make sure that everything blends really nice and seamless. Okay, I'm going to go in with the previous blending brush, the first blending brush we used, and I'm just going to diffuse all of those colors. I'm not adding any more product. I am simply just blending. I'm going to take that same brush, which by the way, this is a Sigma E45, and I'm going to take the deep dark brown shade. I'm going to begin to apply this in the crease, but I am going to start in the inner corner and blend back towards the outer corner. I want this brown to be as dark as possible, and don't worry if it's looking a little harsh because we are going to go in and blend it out. Once you have it really nice and pigmented in the crease, it's looking a little choppy, that's okay. We're going to go back in with Girl Bye, which is the pinky shade, the pinky brown, and I am going to do the softest hand movements ever, like the softest movements here in the crease, just kind of grazing the edges of the two shadows, kind of scratching the surface like Nikki Tutorial says. And I'm going to lightly blend those two shades together. I'm going to take this shade right here. It's like, when you look at it in the pan, it looks blue, it looks gray. It's like a really pretty like gunmetal shadow. And I am going to take this and I am going to put this all over my entire lid. That is such a pretty color. It's so unique. It's so different. I am in love. My brush is actually dry. It's not wet at all. I'm going to take a little bit more of that dark brown shade, and I'm going to work this in the crease to kind of blend that blue just a little bit more. Now that I have that eyeshadow all over my entire lid, I'm actually going to take this shade right here. This is that blue, it's like a blue purple shade, like it depends on the light. Like here it looks blue, but if you turn it a certain way, it has like a purple tone to it. I'm gonna take an eyeliner brush and I'm actually going to wet the brush, and I am going to use this as my eyeliner on the top lash line. So I really want that wing liner to pop, so I'm going to go in with a white liquid liner and I'm going to underline the actual liner. Okay, so I am back. Tell me I don't look like a clown. Tell me I don't look like a clown. So I went ahead and I did my face off camera because it's the same exact routine that I have been doing for the past months now, and I just did an updated foundation routine, so it's okay if we skip it for today. So yeah, I did not intend for my eyeliner to be this dramatic, but we're here and I'm living for it, so it's okay. We're gonna go ahead and finish the lower lash line. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this pinky shade and I'm going to just buff this in the lower lashes. And I'm gonna put this all the way into the inner corner. And then I'm gonna go in to the dark brown shade with, I believe it's called Chains. And I'm gonna put this really close to my lower lash line. I'm gonna mix in Churro with Girl Bye. So I'm gonna mix these two together and I'm going to further blend and smoke out the lower lash line. Okay, next I'm gonna go into this shade and this is called Triming. And I am actually going to use this as my inner corner highlight. So I'm adding a little bit of just a kiss in the inner corner to not make it so pink. So now I'm going to go in with a white eyeliner and I am going to line my waterline. I'm going to apply mascara to my lower lash line. So now I'm going to go in with highlight, and of course I'm going to go in with Fuego. Not sure what's going on with my hair. And I don't really want a concentrated highlight. I just kind of want like an overall glow. So I'm just gonna dust this kind of just all over the cheeks. I'm gonna hit the center and tip of the nose. So moving on to the lips, I'm gonna line my lips using Max Spice lip liner. I'm gonna fill in the lips using a Mauve Story. This shade is probably my favorite from all of the ones that I picked up. And I'm going to top it off with their new gloss in the shade The Most. Did you guys see that? I love this. Alrighty guys, so this is a finished look. This is everything. I definitely wanted to play with the colors. I wanted to experiment, and I'm really happy with the way that this look turned out. Only thing that I would probably change and do over would be my inner corner, because I feel like this inner corner kind of makes the look a little bit too dark and too kind of alien-esque, but it's still a beautiful look. It's still super duper different and I freaking love it. And if you look really nice and up close, I don't know if you can see that, but if you look really nice and up close, you can see that silver blue and then you have the blue purple, and it looks so freaking beautiful. I am completely in love and obsessed with the way that the eye look turned out. The lip combination that I used in today's video is probably by far my favorite combination from the whole entire collection. I love, love, love that lipstick. It looks so beautiful. It's like a pink metallic, then it's a little mauvey, it's a little brown. I am obsessed. So that is it. This is everything that I have to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys love it. If you did, please don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one, and don't forget to like and share the video with your family and your friends. So I love you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very, very soon with a brand new video. Mwah!